Here is my Psychedelic loaf of soap. So that's quite bright. Let's go ahead and cut it and see what the inside gave us. I was mostly pretty happy as I was pouring this with the gradient. The yellow I made initially a little too bright, and so getting it to lighten up with the white didn't go as much as I wanted. So I think I have more yellow than darker yellow, or bright yellow, than a light yellow, which is not quite what I wanted, but we'll see what it looks like. The other two colors, the pink and the peach orange, seem to be gradiating. Oh wow, look at all those glycerin rivers. I knew, I was like, I shouldn't insulate this because I mix my titanium dioxide with water, and that is one of the things that contributes to glycerin rivers, and I always insulate, and I was like, I probably shouldn't, but I did. Ain't that interesting? It's cool. It is very psychedelic, bright colors. I love the black accent in there. The glycerin rivers give it, I think, a really kind of cool effect. Considering I didn't, let's put it, the idea I initially wanted to do didn't meet the rules, because I wasn't going from a color to white. I was going from a color to a color. And I almost just passed. I was like, nah, I'm just gonna skip this challenge. I've already done a ton of Luna swirls for the Design Mania. I had a lot of fun with them. And then I was like, well, you can get a good ombre from white with the neons that actually looks like a true ombre. Like, can you see it's all nice and subtle, and it's not like you can't tell each pore from the next to the next. Like, that's the one thing that bugs me about white and trying to get an ombre, is you can usually see each pore. Like, it's very distinct as each color gets lighter. And that, for me, just, it can look cool, but when I'm going for an ombre and I put that much work into it, it drives me nuts. So I just do not often do white ombres, or if I do, I mix it with other colors. So I'll do like white, pink, green, and black, right? So it's anyways, I said I almost wasn't gonna do this challenge, but I got this idea in my head with the neons, and it's cool, and I'm glad I gave it a try. The glycerin rivers kind of give this a whole different feel from a typical Luna swirl too. I didn't do anything fancy with the top.